What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? I hope you guys are all having a great and fantastic day today. We're going to be talking about how to grow a Thinkorswim trading platform. So the tips and tricks I'm going to be giving to you guys are pretty much for any trading. It's just not for Thinkorswim, but they definitely help out with the Thinkorswim platform here. All right, so the first tip that I can give to you guys to grow a account is to learn as much as you can about day trading. Now, this is from anything to take a course, find a mentor, find somebody who's doing it, and learn from them. Don't copy their trades trade by trade, but use their trade to see what they did and to learn from it, because that's going to be the biggest thing. Going down the road and starting out is you're going to want to, find someone that is profitable and is doing this. Just because there's, that 86% of day traders actually fail. So there's only, that 15 or 14% that are profitable in the stock market, guys, as day traders. And the second rule I can give to you guys is to plan. Now, planning out your trades, planning what your next step are, planning your strategy and your setups. So, as you guys learn about stocks, you're going to develop a strategy, meaning you're going to see this and you're going to say, okay, it's finding this trend line as some type of, support. It's also hugging this 20 moving average line, so we might hop in over this for a resistant breakout. We're going to set our stops right below here. You're going to develop a strategy that works for you, and you're going to become profitable. That's pretty much what it's all about, finding something that works for yourself and trying to make money. You're going to have times where you lose money, and you're going to have times where you don't know what you're doing, but all of that should be in that step one, that learning process, learning how to use the TOS platform. I made multiple videos on it, guys. Number two is planning out your trades, your support, resistance, your profit one, profit two, your stop loss. You're going to all develop that strategy in that, phase, in that step two, guys. All right. Step three is the simulation trade. Now, simulation trade, you can literally just log into a paper trading account, and it's going to be very similar, but it's going to have, that yellow border around all of these, so you'll be able to tell it's fake. And the most of the things are going to be just the exact same. You can get it where it has real time, where you don't have to pay for it. Now, during this simulation trading, this is where you're going to learn to see if you're profitable, because you don't want to risk any money if you're not making money, if that makes sense. You want to be already have a game plan, have that learning curve. Hopefully you already are out of it, and now you understand the stock market. Now you just need to work on the emotion side, and the emotion side really is probably 25 or maybe even 50% of the stocks. People understand this stock has an upward support line, or that upward trend line. So the reason why people lose money is because they don't understand those risks. They don't understand anything, because day trading, they make it so easy to hop in that driver's seat and to get going, but barely anybody actually takes that time to actually learn the proper tools and steps to understand a trade. Now, during simulation trading, this is where you should work on stock scanners. Find something that works for you. I understand you don't want to pay $100 a month for the Trade Ideas platform down here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but this is like $200 a month. But you should be able to pay for that. If you have a game plan And this is going to be your tool, one of your go-to tools to find stocks to trade. So that's another big part. And if you don't find stocks to trade, you're not going to be making any money. So, a lot of people don't realize that this is a business, this is a profession. They take it as a part-time deal, and that's why they lose money. That's why we have that 86% losers, because those 15 or 10% people, those are the people that take that extra time to learn about setups, to learn about, trade ideas. They actually sit down, find mentors, find somebody that's doing it, and they're learning from them. Because like I said, day trading, they make it so easy just to fund an account and to get going, but they don't teach you the proper ways, even though they do have a little education thing on here. I've honestly never really checked it out, maybe like once or twice. So they got a stocks unit here, but this really isn't gonna help. You're gonna want to find a mentor, guys, who knows what they're doing. All right, and the last and final step is to trade. Now, trading is going to be probably one of the hardest steps on here, guys. The first 6 months, you're just going to want to break even because, so many people fail. If you can break even, you're beating everybody, guys. And then once you develop once you get your emotions down, because when you have a paper trading account, there's no emotions tied to it because it's not your real money. So there is a little bit of a hump to get over, but once you get over that hump, you start getting the hang of it. You start getting the kind of the ballpark, the game plan of how to become profitable and what to do. But yeah, so that's pretty much it, though. That's pretty much how you grow an account as a beginner. Those are the steps you guys need to follow. If you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. Also, I'm so sick and tired of people messaging me saying, how fast can I turn $1,000 into 50? So if that's you guys, please stop. Just because if you guys are beginning day trading, just by that comment, guys, I can almost guarantee you're going to lose money because you're looking at it the wrong way. You're not looking at it like setups, and you're not looking for that education. You're just looking for money, which isn't the right way to look at it. Also, multiple new beginner traders, let's say there was, I don't know a good metaphor for it, but people get all too hyped up in the learning curve. They want to learn everything about it. They want to learn everything, which is cool, but you don't need to set up hotkeys for your first trade. You don't need to set up 1,000 frickin', moving average lines or studies. Find something that works for you and just learn it. Don't try to, okay, I gotta have hotkeys. I gotta have, everything. Just find a scanner, find some charts, get a simulation or paper trading account, and just start learning, guys. That's the best way to do it. Find a strategy, find a setup that you like, and just learn from it. Like I said, find a mentor, study it. But that's it, though, guys. I'm getting tired here. I hope you guys have a good rest of the weekend. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of the weekend. Even though I already said that. Take care, guys.